Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, so we have 4 kits right here. Yup, I ordered 4 kits and I think I ordered this from overseas. Yeah, maybe I just forget what store I have ordered this one. But yeah, let's have first here, and this one is very cute, man. Who I've been hunting this one on Bandai. But yeah, right now it's a little bit not so rare, but it's not so usual to see this kit available anymore on the market. So yeah, some bootleg company made this one, and yeah, it really makes me happy to have already the. Oh, this is your JMS Bird Guy. Yeah, and this is the Bird. Is this the Bird Guy 3 or the Bird Guy Sun? I just forget. But yeah, this is the yellow one, the yellow Bird Guy. Yeah, it is from the Build Fighters, the very first build. The very first? No, it's not. Yeah, it's the very first Build Fighters. I forgot the names of the characters, but I know what are the relationship of those characters. But yeah, so this is it. Wow, it's not yet an unboxing. I just really want to see if it's the yellow one. Who also has some stickers. And yeah, see that? Oh, sunny yellow, cheddar kind of yellow. Yeah, mozzarella. It's like a food. It's very nice, man. And to tell you, it still has the parts of the Guy in yellow. So if you want to build this one into yellow, an Guy in yellow, you can really have it. Yep, very nice. So yeah, the very first one right here is a very cute one, a yellow Bird Guy. Yeah. Okay, so let's go. Let's proceed to the other one. So I will just put it right here at the front. Okay, so